Look at this beautiful 2023 BMW X7 M60. Come to the back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. We got some crazy clips to react to, man. Let's get right into it. Let's go.
Car advice. So I bought a Range Rover. It was used. And since I've had the craziest problems, I actually drove it off the lot without brakes, took it back to the place, and then they said since I had it for a day that I cut the brakes, and they were blaming on me. Obviously, I'm searching for a lemon lawyer, but I ended up fixing the brakes, having the car for now 6 months, and then taking it to Range Rover because it broke down again. And then Range Rover's like, this is going to cost $10,000 to repair. I only bought the car because it's a used Range Rover for $24,000. So now it's going to cost $10,000 to repair. Can I still go to a lemon lawyer after this much time? Do I sell the car? Do I fix the car? I really got myself in a pickle. I hate this car. I hate you.
First of all, you cannot do a lemon law with a used car. I mean, if I'm wrong, leave it in the comments, guys. That's the first thing. The second thing is buying a daggone Range Rover. We already know Range Rovers don't last. That's like the worst used car you could ever buy. She's like double screwed on this situation. We all know that Range Rovers are like the #1 car you're supposed to avoid, especially used. I would only lease something like that. Just like BMWs, Mercedes, only lease those cars, because if something happened, it's a wrap.
So we're up to $5,000 on my car. So let me tell you what they said. I was like, well, so I brought it in for the heating, and obviously it needed a B service, whatever the fuck B service means. I think A service is different than B service. I'm not sure, but anyway, so I drive Mercedes. It's a 2019. Like, it's been my favorite car. I have had no problems up until this point, and it's only freaking 6 years old. So he said they had to change the heating valve. The heating valve cost $1,099. Do you know? I was like, well, how much was the part, and how much is not maintenance, but yeah, whatever, repair? How much are they charging us? They said the part was like $400 and something, and they were charging us $1,500 and something for the maintenance, or whatever, the mechanical, whatever the fuck it is, whatever it's called. Anyways, you guys know what I'm talking about. Can you fucking believe that, for the labor? And so, anyways, they put that on, and apparently it didn't fucking work. It worked for 30 minutes. They had it idle for 30 minutes, and then my air went cold. I'm like, okay, so that was $1,099, and he was like, well, the whole total was gonna be like $7,000 something. I might as well go buy a new fucking car. Like, I'm so irritated and frustrated right now, because here's the thing, like, do I really even need to get it fixed? Because Duke and I leave, like, it's already getting fucking cold right now, but Duke and I leave in December for Arizona, so I'm gonna need the heat for another 2 months. Do I even get it fixed? Anyways, so now I opted out with another option that was flushing the, I think it's flushing the system, and it's only gonna, it's costing $1,200 on top of the $2,099.
That's crazy.
So if that does not work, fuck it, I'm not gonna have air, and I just wasted $4,000 fucking dollars. I'm so disgusted. I could be using that money to help people in fucking Jamaica right now. Like, I don't understand how people can just rip you the fuck off waiting on a phone call from the dealership.
And that's the whole thing with these expensive cars, guys. And we went over this stuff a million times. I done several videos on this, but I just keep getting these videos of people buying these luxury, expensive Mercedes, BMWs, Range Rovers. People consistently buy these vehicles and then complain about what it costs to fix them. I mean, it's unbelievable. I understand they're pretty. You look good riding in them. You at the stoplight, you shining, you know, you feeling good. But man, if that thing has a problem, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. That's why I say consistently, if you watch my videos, do not finance one of these cars unless you're a mechanic and you can do the work yourself. Lease luxury vehicles. I cannot stress that enough, guys.
We have the most realistic buyer on the phone here. Let's go ahead and do our best to help him, because this is absurd.
I'm looking to get a vehicle in my name with no trade-in, because I'm flipped significantly, as I'm sure most people are in today's Let me be forthcoming. I have an auto loan. It doesn't show on every bureau. I don't know which one of the shows on, but it's with my ex. She's being stubborn. I got bad credit, not a lot of money down, and yeah, I know my circumstances, so I'm very realistic.
So we're working with a minimal amount down, right?
Yes.
Now, when you say bad credit, brother, talk to me. What's bad credit? We work with some terrible stuff over here.
I'm definitely low fives.
Okay, so when you say bad credit, you really mean fair credit.
If that's what you want to call it.
Yes, sir. We have seen 380s. We have seen. I actually got a 365 approved last week.
Well, God bless you.
What has you at 500? Is it a credit card? Is it the mortgage? Is it paid autos? Is it unpaid autos? Talk to me.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I really don't know. I'm in the middle of a divorce. Don't really have much credit.
Divorce can be a tough one, brother.
Yeah, man. It ain't fun.
Nonetheless, brother, we are gonna help you through this. Okay. So, are you working full time right now?
Work full time. I make $1,500 a week.
Nice, making great money, brother. So, car payments, no problem.
No.
Perfect. So now we just need to help you get the door open so you can start reestablishing yourself. Is all.
All right, Stefan. I like your energy. Hopefully, we can do some business.
I appreciate it. I enjoyed this phone call with you. All right. As soon as it's done, I'll give you a call back.
Man, appreciate you.
All right, brother. Have a good day.
Yeah, and I understand sometimes people have to take a little hit in order to reestablish themselves. This man right here, I can say he's going through a divorce. From what I understand, man, that just crushes your finances. You know, so I'm not even going to sit here and act like I know anything about that. Luckily, I've been good, you know what I'm saying? But you just never know. So I can't even sit here and say nothing about this man. I mean, at least he's been straight up and honest. He understands the situation. He going in there with a 380 credit score, acting like he got a 700 credit score. You feel what I'm saying? So he got to find a way to reestablish his credit. So I get it, but man, 380 or 500, that's tough. It's tough to get a car loan with a good interest rate with that type of score.
Point, I'm getting ready to trade this Benz in. It's giving me too many problems. I cannot see the speedometer. I can't see the gas. I can't see anything. The screens are no longer working. This is the only screen that's working. I went on YouTube. YouTube said to press these two buttons down for 10 seconds. And it's supposed to reboot the whole system, like make the screens restart. Okay, so y'all see it's restarting, right?
That ain't gonna work, trust me.
This is still not coming on. I'm so confused. Like, I can't even see how fast I'm driving. I'm scared to drive. Like, I don't want to drive on the road and I cannot see. Like, this is working. However, this is not working. Over it. I'm just gonna trade it in. I'm just gonna get something else. I'm over it. I'm done with it. I'm done. Let me go ahead and go to the nearest Mercedes dealership right now.
I mean, I hear you, but it may be cheaper to just get it fixed. You feel what I'm trying to say? So now you're about to roll negative equity, which is going to be way more expensive than just getting the screen fixed. And I'm not a big fan of those big screens like that, because like the problem she's having, if something happens, it's like it's shut down everything. And there's no, you know what I'm saying, there's no way to get around it. You got to take that to the dealership. These new cars, man, they give you so many issues. And they make it where you have to go to the dealership and get this stuff fixed. You can't just take that to some little side shop and get it fixed, because if they do something wrong, now you void your warranty. Now this woman right here, she talking about trading the car in, and she about to roll negative equity. So it's just like a lose-lose situation. So again, cars like this, lease them. So if something like this happen at the end of the lease, you just give it back. Somebody else's problem.
I've given up on this car completely. I've put in $1,500 just in repairs on this car, and it's still leaking oil.
Wow.
I've replaced so much stuff. We rethreaded the bolts. We rethreaded 3 bolts. This bolt, and then one inside. We changed this whole thing, this whole cover.
Wow.
Changed the spark plugs. Replaced the catalytic converter, replaced the radiator hose, replaced some other hoses. I don't know what else to do. So this car is going bye-bye. Because I'm over it.
See, people got to buy either Toyota or Honda. Like I stay away from them Chevys, all them type of cars. I don't even look at them joints, because I know they're going to give you problems. They may be a little cheaper, but it's worth the extra money to buy either a Toyota or a Honda. And if you're going to buy a Honda, see, this is what people got to understand. A lot of these brands are going to that CVT transmission. So if you want to buy a Honda, try to find a 13 and under, especially if you're getting like a Civic, like a small car like this. Get a 2013 or under. You feel what I'm saying? Because I think in 2014 is when they started using the CVT, and those cars were having problems. But Toyota and Honda CVTs are a lot different than Nissan. You feel what I'm trying to say? There's a whole different system. I think they use a different belt or something. Leave it in the comments. But these Chevy Cruze, all these American-made cars, bro, stay away from them joints, man, because they definitely gonna give you problems.
I just came from AutoZone because my engine light's been on, and then all of a sudden my car is making this weird sound that I never heard it make.
Here we go.
So I go and I'm like, can y'all do a testing on my car? Is that free? They said yes. I said, okay. They do a testing, they go back to their computer, and they pull up all this stuff. Bitch, let's read off what the fuck is wrong with my car. Suggested parts. 2. Replace catalytic converter. What the fuck is that? That sounds expensive. Exhaust flange gasket. Powertrain system. Anti-lock brake. What the fuck? I don't know.
Bro, that's crazy. You need somebody to help you.
Oh, also, there's more. The only good thing right now is my oil life. I got 70% oil in my car. Now, let's turn the paper around.
Uh-oh.
Next, scheduled maintenance. Inspect engine, idle speed. Adjust valve clearance. Change automatic transmission fluid. Change brake fluid. Change rear differentiation fucking fluid. Another fucking fluid.
Oh, man.
Inspect drive accessory belt and tension. Replace cabin air filter. Replace engine air filter. Replace spark plugs.
That's crazy.
Replace timing belt and inspect water pump.
The heck is she driving, bro?
All I hear is cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-fucking ching. Bitch, I gotta go back tomorrow because they're like, you haven't had us tune up. Bitch, what am I tuning up? The car works. What do you mean tune up? What does that even mean? What am I tuning? What am I tuning? The radio? Bitch, what do you mean tune up? What am I tuning?
You can go to Walmart and buy a cabin air filter for like $10, or you can order one on Amazon.
Keep posting there like the wealthiest people drive Toyota Camrys. You know, the true wealth is, you know, not in your car, it's Toyota Camrys. Well, those people just have bad taste. I mean, have they tried a 911 Turbo S? Have they enjoyed a Urus? Maybe even just like a nice Audi SUV. Like, have they tried these things? They're not unenjoyable to drive. They're not comfortable. Why is it like a Camry? I don't get it. Are you really that tight-walleted? Enjoy the drive a little bit. Have they tried a CTSV Blackwing? A CT5V Blackwing? Really great to drive. Or at least like the bare minimum a Lexus. Like why is it always like they're in Toyota Camrys? They're in 99 Toyota Camrys. What? Why is that always like what these like gurus say? They're driving cheap cars. Toyota Camrys, Honda CRVs. It's like they just have really bad taste then. Because you should drive something nicer.
That's not what they saying, man. I get what he's trying to say, but when people say things like that, they're just trying to keep people within their means. That's all. Because, you know, you do see that in the comments a lot. People say, you know, rich people don't drive expensive cars. And that's not true. A lot of them have them in their garage. You know, they may pay cash for it and they only drive it, you know, occasionally, or it's a collector's item. But he's right, though. A lot of people always say rich people drive Camrys. I mean, they do, though. I mean, you know what I'm saying? There are some rich folks who, see, the thing about it is, man, not everybody's car people. You feel me? So not everybody believes in spending a lot of money on a depreciating asset like a car. But if you're a car person, I don't really see anything wrong with it, as long as you understand it's not an investment and you're buying something that you can actually afford. That's all people really saying. It's not that they have to drive a Camry. That's not one. There's nothing wrong with a Camry because that's what I drive, a Camry. So leave it in the comments, guys. Like I said, we kind of had a lot of different clips today. I'm working on some other stuff to bring some different content to the channel. So if you're new to my channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate everybody commenting. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now, right there. You appreciate that. See y'all on the next one. Peace.